Hey guys, I hope everyone is having a lovely day. HomeGoods is bursting at the seams with so many great home decor items. They have gorgeous furniture pieces, tabletop decor like vases and bowls, lamps and baskets. Summer items already, yeah. So hard to narrow it down and feature in the video, but let's coast through HomeGoods and see what's new for you. We're starting off with this gorgeous entertainment console, which is a dupe. The Ambella Sampling Entertainment Console that can be found on the Neiman Marcus website retails for $8,840. This console here at HomeGoods has a slightly darker wood tone, which I actually like a lot better. Ample storage, and it is on clearance. It's worth every penny of its $6.99 price tag. This would make such a pretty entry cabinet, and it is an Anthropologie dupe for the Isla fluted wood cabinet, which retails on their website for $1,498. You can snag this one from HomeGoods for a fraction of the price. This ottoman is simple with a pretty caramel color. The lid also comes off for storage. Beautiful nightstands with its unique handles and scalloped edges. These by Lillian August. Okay, I'm going to refrain from commenting so much so we can get through these. HomeGoods had the most stunning shell I just had to show you. Beautiful brown tones if you're wanting to add a little warmth to your space. I see a little bit of blue too if you notice closely. This is an outdoor rug that could easily be used indoors. I think this one would look pretty in a girl's room with all the flowers. From rugs, we'll be moving straight to throw blankets. This one is from Italy, which might explain its hefty price tag even on clearance. This one's cute with all the shells and starfish. If you notice, this one has a very feminine ruffled edge. What a gorgeous wooden bowl for a coffee table. I wasn't thoroughly excited with the dinnerware. A lot of it was just white, but there were some things that were worth highlighting. I thought these blue and white canisters were really pretty, especially for summer. These neutral ones aren't bad either, although a little bit more expensive than the other ones. Plenty of cups and plates and pitchers for outdoors. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this. We have some vases coming up. This one's really rough to the touch, but I like the texture. Oops, these next couple of ones aren't vases, but this is a very pretty shell bowl. This one's equally as pretty. I don't know what the material is. Maybe alabaster? I'm not sure. HomeGoods has so many great planters out right now, especially for summer. These coming up are all so pretty for a covered patio. I was really attracted to this Minka pot bowl, and then I kept seeing it on every shelf. You'll see. Minka pot dupe, I should say. And here it is again. And if you have a quick eye, you'll notice there's a third one to the left. And here I was double checking the price because I couldn't believe it was under 20 bucks. There's a better look at that third one and number 4. And I think there's another one there, smaller one. There's a very pretty shark. It will look great on a bookshelf. That middle shell is huge. I don't know where you'd put it. Maybe if you had like a low coffee table. Let's keep going and take a look at some lamps. I absolutely love the alabaster lamp. Another gorgeous lamp made out of shells. This is a smaller version of the shell lamp for nightstands or sofa side tables. And here's a smaller version of the alabaster lamp. I really do love these. And we can't leave HomeGoods without at least seeing a few baskets. I really loved this one from the moment I saw it, and I could kick myself for not buying it. It's just I didn't have time that day to wait in line, and I left without it. Remember to subscribe and hit like to see more walkthroughs like this. See you next time.